Welcome to our Chef at the Market virtual demonstration brought to you by RV Ag. Each week we will be featuring local chefs who will be sharing recipes using farm fresh products sourced from the RV Ag online marketplace. For more information or recipes, visit our website.
Hi, I'm Will Richardson. I'm the chef and owner of Kudzu Ramen in Richmond, Virginia, and today we're going to be making a delicious stir-fry ground pork bowl that's sort of an easy, quick dinner thing that I like to do for my own kids. It's something that can be done in 10 or 15 minutes. So we're going to start by chopping a yellow onion. And now we are going to thinly slice some green onions. So now we're going to put together our stir-fry sauce. This is a really awesome base recipe. If you have your ratio of soy sauce to brown sugar down, you can use it for almost anything. So we're going to go 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We've got 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce, and about 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and you can do that to taste. We're going to blend that together. So we're going to start by heating some vegetable or neutral oil in a pan at medium-high heat. Then we're going to add in our onions and aromatics, the garlic and ginger, and stir fry those for 2 to 3 minutes till we have some good color on those. Then we're going to add in our ground pork and get that nice and brown, probably another 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to drain our excess liquid. After that, we're going to add in our delicious stir-fry sauce that we made. Simmer that for another 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce is reduced by just a little bit. Then we can serve that over rice, noodles, or even by itself with some vegetables if you like. And you can garnish it with sesame seeds, your green onions, and these delicious radishes that we've pickled, and the preparation for that is in the recipe as well. Okay, so now our oil is starting to ripple in the pan just a little bit and starting to see little wisps of smoke, so we can go with our aromatics. I'm going to go with that chopped onion. Let that get nice and brown. And we can go with our ginger and our garlic. You can mince your garlic. I prefer to kind of make mine into a paste. Basically smash it until it becomes more of a paste than a mince. Okay, so now we're going to add this ground pork from Windy Hill Farms. Now that our pork is nice and browned, we're going to go ahead and add in the stir-fry sauce that we made. Make sure that brown sugar is stirred in well. We're going to add that. And then we're going to add in our water chestnuts. And we're gonna finish it off by just stirring in 1/2 of our green onions. And we're ready to serve. Okay, we're gonna serve this up right now over some steamed white rice. And of course you can do noodles or no starch at all if you like, just a side of vegetables. Get some of that sauce on there. And then we're gonna garnish it with a little bit more of those sliced green onions. A couple of these roasted sesame seeds. And on the side, a couple of these delicious pickled radishes. And here we have it, our Asian sesame pork bowl. This can be done with any other protein. You can use ground beef, tofu, seitan, anything of your choice really. And again, your starches can be interchanged as well. You can use rice, noodles, or just a side of vegetables if you want to go for a starch-free option. Well, thank you guys so much for the opportunity to cook for you today. I hope that this recipe serves you all well at home. For more information on what we do, check us out at Kudzu RVA. That's Kudzu RVA on Instagram and Facebook, and theundergroundkitchen.org.